Hello children, welcome to new academic year 2021 to 22 and this year I'll be taking science and hope you will enjoy as you did in the previous grade. The first chapter in our syllabus is nutrition in plants. We have talked about nutrition in human beings, now it's time to talk about nutrition in plants. To know the nutrition in plants, it is better to know about the basic things, what is nutrition, what are nutrients and the mode of nutrition. All these things you are going to come across in this chapter. So children, let's begin our journey. Chapter number 1, nutrition in plants. You have studied in standard 6th the food, which is an essential factor for all living organisms, and you also learned that carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are the components of food, and these components of food are called nutrients. So the first word, hard word of this chapter is nutrients. What are nutrients? They are the components of food which are essential for our body. All living organisms require food. Plants can make food for themselves, but animals, including humans, cannot. They get it from plants or animals that eat plants. Thus, human beings and animals are directly or indirectly dependent on plants. Now, what we are going to study next is mode of nutrition in plants. Now children, before we move on to mode of nutrition in plants, I would like to tell you that plants are the only organisms that prepare food on their own. But that doesn't mean they are not dependent on anything. They are dependent on sunlight. They take help of sunlight. With the help of sunlight, water, minerals and carbon dioxide, they prepare their food, and because of this reason they are considered autotrophs. Now in the mode of nutrition we are going to talk more about what is autotroph, what are heterotrophs. Okay, so let's continue with the next topic, mode of nutrition in plants. There are two types of modes of nutrition in living organism. One is autotrophic and the other is heterotrophic nutrition. One is autotrophic nutrition, the other one is heterotrophic nutrition. What is mode of nutrition now? Mode of nutrition means the method a living organism use to take in nutrition or take the components of food. That is called mode of nutrition, and plants follow autotrophic nutrition and animals follow heterotrophic nutrition. That is, the mode of nutrition in plant is autotrophic and that in other organisms is heterotrophic. Children, after nutrient, next word you will copy down in your notebook is nutrition. Then you will copy down autotrophic, then autotrophs and heterotrophs. So today's difficult words or hard words are nutrients, nutrition, autotrophic, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Before I end up with this video, I would like to explain what are autotrophs and what are heterotrophs. The plants are called autotrophs because they prepare food on their own. They are called autotrophs and their mode of nutrition is considered as autotrophic, where auto is self. If you break that word autotrophic, auto means self and trophos means nourishment. Now, what are heterotrophs? Heterotrophs are those organisms which are dependent on plants or other animals, other herbivorous animals. They are considered as heterotrophs, where heteros means other. Okay? So, hope you have understood what are nutrients, which are the mode of nutrition, and what are autotrophs and what are heterotrophs. So children, in my next video I will come up with the next topic, photosynthesis, that is food making process in plants. The food making process in plants is considered to be photosynthesis. So we are going to study about this process. Till then, goodbye.